Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you another you may call it strange, you may call it weird side hustle that is very easy to start, very strange but very super profitable. So in my last video I shared with you 10 strange but super profitable side hustle that are very easy to start. And one of the comments that I got was from this lady who said, "Great video, please tell websites for Pakistani ladies, as some of the ladies are scared to open few websites because most of them are fake." And I decided that why not research another quote-unquote strange side hustle idea that is also very, very profitable and easy to start. And I landed on our website that links people that want to sell hair with those who are looking to buy hair. So basically, I am talking about hairsellon.com. It is a marketplace that matches hair buyers and hair sellers. So this is the website I'm talking about. And guys, don't worry, I am going to leave a link at the bottom in the description box below. Hair Salon, buy and sell hair online. And here you're welcome to buy and sell hair online, and you can see they have featured different types of hair, but there are some caveats for you to sell your hair. So here they say, can you sell hair for money? Yes, if it's over 6 inches, you can sell hair on Hair Salon. How much can you sell hair for? Generally, the longer and thicker your hair is, the more you can sell it for. Check out the famous hair calculator to find out your hair selling price. So let's click on this hair calculator, which is going to tell us how much. And I know Pakistani ladies, I've actually lived in Pakistan, I think for almost 8 to 9 months, and have seen those beautiful Pakistani ladies have really, really long, thick hair. And that's why I thought this would be a very ideal side hustle. So the hair price calculator is a unique tool created by Hair Salon to value and estimate how much your hair is worth. Simply enter your details in the form below and click to calculate. So what you need to do is enter the length of your hair. Your thickness of the hair is like 1 inch thick, 1.5 to up to 6 inches thick, 6 plus. And then you enter your hair color. Is it brown? Is it white or gray? Auburn, chestnut, black, red, blonde? And then is your hair virgin hair or non-virgin hair? Yeah? And then you calculate. So remember, these are just estimates of your hair value, often representing maximum worth. Hair value varies per individual depending on uniqueness of hair color, overall hair quality, condition, and hair routines. Yeah. So the steps to sell your hair on hairsellon.com. You register for a free account, and then you click post an ad in the top right, and simply follow the listing instructions, and then you wait for buyers to make your offer. So they have given one rule here. They have said very clearly, do not cut your hair until payment has been received. So this is where once you register on this link here, and then once you have registered, this is where you post your ad. Just click on that and then you post. So why would you want to sell your hair on Hair Salon? Is because there are more verified buyers and sellers than any other hair trade marketplace. And then unlike other hair websites, it's not free. So buyers are protected from scam listings and sellers from fraudulent buyers. And then the only hair marketplace with certified buyers and seller protection from bad users. And then of course you're gonna get best value advertising prices with the run until sold packages to make sure you sell your hair. So as usual guys, I always share with you side hustle opportunities as they come my way. My advice for you, do your own diligence, yeah? And note that if your hair is virgin, which means that hair that has been untouched from any chemical processes and heat, then it could fetch you anything up to $4,000 US, guys. That's how much money people are making with their hair. I don't know what's a better side hustle that you can see here. This lady is selling golden hair for $250. There's this other one, blonde hair, for $150. This other lady is selling 14 inches for $500. There's someone here with a 28-inch ponytail, shiny and healthy, for $2,000. So what you want to make sure is that, oh, this one has been sold. You want to make sure that if you can, you get featured on the top page on the featured hair for sale, because it increases your chances of getting a buyer. But as usual, do not cut your hair until payment has been received. And as you have seen here, the people selling their hair have actually posted their hair. And come on. Yeah, so what you want to try to happen is for your hair to be featured on this featured hair for sale. I don't know why my internet is acting up, but this is the page where you want to make sure your hair is featured. And the healthier your hair is, the longer it is. If it is virgin hair that has not been touched by heat or by chemical, then you stand to fetch more money. Yeah, so that's what you want to do. As usual, guys, if you found this side hustle interesting enough and you are thinking of trying it, let me know in the comment section below. And as usual, please share the videos with other people who have hair that is at least 6 inches long, or are looking to grow their hair to at least 6 inches long and are looking for some side money. Thank you for staying up to the very end. I definitely look forward to meeting you on the next one. Bye, guys.